Hi guys, and welcome to the world of paper folding. My name is Aditi and today I'm going to teach you how to fold a butterfly. You'll need a square sheet of paper, and if you want to make your butterfly a cute fridge magnet, then you will also need some adhesive and a magnet. So let's start folding. The first fold that I need to make for this is a diagonal fold. Like this. Then unfold, rotate, and let's fold the other diagonal. Unfold, and let's flip the model. Once this is done, I'm going to fold it into half. Make sure you use your nails for folding so that your folds are neat and precise. Then unfold, rotate, and let's fold the other half. Always match the edges and the corners when you're folding to get very crisp folds. Okay, then let's unfold, flip the model and press it in the middle. When you press it in the middle, these sides should automatically pop out. And once they pop out, I'm going to hold the straight line on both sides and bring them down like this. And then press the whole model from the top, making it into a water bomb fold. Once the water bomb fold is done, I'm going to rotate it and keep it in front of me in such a way that the arrow is pointing towards me. Now let's start folding it further. So there are two flaps on the right side and two flaps on the left side. I'm going to take the top flap and starting from the middle, but folding it slightly away from the middle line, I'm going to fold it like this, and the other one like this. Then let's flip the model to the other side, and I'm going to take this point and fold it up till the point I can fold it, and there should be a little triangle coming out from this line. So let it come out like this. Now a trick is that you can fold it, but I want my butterfly to have fluffy wings. So I'm not going to make this fold. Instead, I'm just going to keep it curved like so. Flip it and fold this little triangle in the front and fold it properly. And once this is done, from this middle line, I'm going to fold the entire butterfly into half, making sure that I'm folding it properly like this, and then unfold. And this finishes your butterfly. Now you can always take a colored pen, any color, and you can make polka dots on it. You can make lines on it, however you want your butterfly to look like. You can also make very intricate patterns on it using pencil colors or watercolors or sketch pens, whatever you want to do. Once this is done, I'm going to flip it and apply a little adhesive, just a little bit, and stick my fridge magnet on it and give it time to dry. Once it dries, you can stick your butterfly to the refrigerator and your fridge magnet would be ready. Thank you so much for folding this butterfly with me today, guys. Hope to see you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.